Use a fluffy clip to fluff the roots of each layer of hair. This will give volume to your hair. Look at that effect! Next, front bangs should be clipped before curling. Choose a curling iron that is larger than 36 mm. Layer your hair and take a small part to begin the curl. The first step, the clip is clamped forward. Then turn it backwards. Repeat the process up to the ends of your hair. Now let's repeat it again. The clip is clamped forward, hold for 10 seconds, and turn backward. Pull down and turn in circles. Do this for all the hair on the left and right. For the bangs part, hold it close to the hair root. Hold it for 10 seconds and set it. When it's almost cool, run it back with your fingers. For the arch side bangs, tuck the hair back. The hair roots on the top of the head are taken out in a thin layer. After the whole hair is done, comb it with a comb, and this is the effect.